Hello and welcome. Take a seat and enjoy these 5 pranayama practices created to enhance and improve your yoga and meditation practice. As you find your comfortable seat, let your eyes close and take a few breaths. Once you feel settled, begin to find a nice, steady pattern of breath, drawing your breath in through the nose for a count of 4, and releasing the breath out for that same count of 4 through the nose. This cooling breath is helpful if you are feeling too much fire in your practice. Breathe the air, sucking it in between the teeth, and exhale out through the nose, letting out all that warm air. This warming breath, Kapalabhati, will bring some fire to your practice. Begin by focusing the belly, toning in and up, while sharply exhaling out through the nostrils. Your inhale will come passively. Clearing, cleansing breaths. Also a great way to dispel some of the fire. Draw the inhale through the nose and an exhale through the mouth. Calming to the nervous system and signaling to the body that it is time to relax. This practice is called Nadi Shodhana and balances both right and left brain. And to relieve anxiety, insomnia, let's start by taking a breath in and releasing it out through the nostrils. Close off the right with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Close the left with your ring finger and exhale out through the right. Breathe in on the right. Exhale through the left, and this will complete one round. It's important to remember that for this particular practice, you must begin with an inhale on the left nostril and an exhale out of the left nostril to complete the cycle. Take as many rounds of this one as you need to feel calmed and centered. I hope you enjoyed this short video on a couple of breath practices to help your yoga. Enjoy and namaste.